Today's video, I'm going to show you the easy and best way how you can scalp Volatility 75 index. So if you're interested to take you Forex trading at the next level, let us get started. First thing first, as well, we all know that the market it always move, making the high highs and high lows, or making the low lows or low highs, or on the other hand it makes the equal lows and equal highs, what we call a ranging market, or what we call a consolidation market. By using this scalping strategy, I'm going to be showing you how you can profitable in all time frames and all kinds of the situations of the market. So it's so simple and easy, guys. First thing to understand that we don't need to be complicating the forex. We're supposed to be having an easy method to use that we can become profitable traders. So what do we have to look in the market? When we come, we have to identify the overall trend. So as well as the market is making the high highs and high lows, we have to identify the trend. How to identify the trend? The easiest way how someone can identify the trend is to go on high time frame. As well, we are scalping. We are going to start with a H4 time frame or H1 time frame, guys. So within those two time frames, it's better you choose one so that you can make you top-down analysis. So we are going to identify this in higher time frame, H1 on H1 or H4 on H1 or H4 or H4. This is what we are going to be identifying. We have to wait the market move up, come down. When the market comes down, we wait the market to take this recent high. When the market takes that recent high, it have to come back to make a retest to this previous high which was been taken from a new high, so that it will come back forming a new lower low. Are you getting the point, guys? When the market comes to form a new lower low here, we are going to do like this. This is high, low, high. The market breaks this our zone. So we are going to be using support and resistance. We wait the market to come, and this, when it is broken, it will come what? A support. Before it had been broken, this was our resistance. Are you getting point? This is a resistance. When the market breaks it, it will turn it as a support the market and continue upward. So that's all what we need. Because we all know that the market, it moves forming high highs and high lows. So we have to take this. As well. We know the market moving high highs and high lows. So if it's moving, making high highs, we have to find the market, make a high, come back and find a low. Are you getting the point? Let it make a new high, we wait to come and find a new low, and then we take the market. So for instance, if we see this on H1, we have to wait the market comes back. So let us say that the market it have come back to form what? Let me draw it very well, like this. Now the market it have come back to our zone here. The market have come back to our zone. This is our zone. So what do we have to wait to see that it can come and break and continues down? So for us, without taking a loss here, what do we have to do? Here, we have to wait the market come and reach to our support zone. When the market reaches on a support zone, we have to find validations, confirmations. We have to find an entry confirmation so that we can take opportunities, guys. So when H1 does like this, comes back to our zone, immediately when it comes back to our zone, what we have to wait and what we need to see, it is what we call a W pattern. When we can see that the market have come back to our zone, we have to wait a W pattern. When this happens, we find here our confirmations, and then we swing the market up. We target risk to reward 1 to 2, guys. That will be enough for us, and then we will be out in the market. So what are those confirmations? Whenever the market moves up and then comes back to your zone, you drop down to minute 15 or to minute 5. I recommend minute 5. If you make your market analysis in H4, you go back to minute 15 to find your entry confirmations. If you make in H1, come back to minute 5 to find your confirmations. So here are the examples, guys. Like example, even the markets what I have already took. That's what I'm going to show you. You can see here, guys. This was, let me go to H1 and I show you something. If you come here right now in H1, you can see this was what? A breakout and a retest. If you can see here closely that the market forming a high low, we take this entry and then it goes up, come back again, and also we have another entry around that place, guys. That is the only thing what you have to be using to become profitable. So if you can see here in H1, this zone was in H4. If you can see here, this zone around this place here, it was on H4. We used a confirmation to enter in H4 zone, and in H1 we went to H1, and then we see a bullish engulfing. We executed, and then we read the market up. Are you getting the point? Now it have come back. We have seen this setup in H1, and we're diving down into minute 15, into minute 5. It is a minute 5, yes. Yeah, minute 5. We're diving into minute 5. We can see that we have found a bullish engulfing right now. When I'm recording this video, these entries they are running, and we have sent it the signals to Telegram channel so that we can catch this setup. So we have seen here a bullish engulfing, and then we executed after the close of that bullish engulfing. Now we're expecting to ride this market up. So as long as you have already finished to take your entry, so the next step to manage you entries, guys. That is all. You have executed, the money is gone. Don't get panic. So you know how much you're going to risk before you executed. If you executed, so that the next step to manage to manage the entry, and always take the risk. Reward 1 to 2, that will be enough as long as we are scalping. If we don't want to scalp, you can use the same concept to go in high time frame. You find zones on H4 daily, and then you wait the market to come in H1. You can see, for instance, at this entry which we took down here, we have spent almost 2 days. We are reading this market up. So we do the same concept. And another thing, guys, you can see, apart from that, support and resistance, there are these ones, break and retest, and also there are these ones. The market, it does two things when it reaches on the support or resistance. It can come and make a retest of it, can come this at the zone and comes back, comes another again, breaks, retest. So if the market come on the support, failure to break, also you can execute, and then you take the market down. This can happen in on consolidation or on sideways trend, guys. To trade the sideways trend, you have to see that the market is making the equal lows and equal highs in H4 or in daily. It's when this sideways trend, it will be useful, but don't trade it in H1 or in minute 5. Struggling with the entry points, make sure to watch that next video at a sniper entry. See you in the next episode. Peace.